Welcome everyone. Let's make this animated thank you slide in MS PowerPoint. So look at, so this is a thank you animated slide. So let's design it and create it. So let's take a new slide. Come here to the slide, an empty slide. So after taking, let's delete this one. After taking this new slide, empty slide, so let's first of all insert a shape. Come here to the insert tab and to the shapes, take rectangle, draw rectangle, and outline, no outline, and shape fill. So let's fill it like this, and shape gradient the center. So after that, let's insert text, and the text would be thank you. So select the text and make the a space between character loose, and come here, select the font which is impact, and then increase the size. Let's make it 195. That is okay. So let's decrease the size like this and bring it to the center. So after bringing it to the center, first of all select the shape, outside shape, then select the text. After that, move to shape format to merge. In the merge, select subtract. After selecting that, let's insert an image, okay, from our desktop, the first one, and let's move to crop and aspect ratio 16:9. Outside, click outside, then move it and place in all slide like this. Right click on the image and send it to back. So that is our first part. Now let's add the second image and animation. So for the animation, let's first of all insert a new shape which is a rectangle. Let's draw a rectangle here which will looks like this. And let's remove the outline and assign a color, like let's assign black color or someone else, which color you want, you choose. Let's select this one. So after selecting that, now let's insert an image also. Come here to the insert, to the pictures. From this device, let's insert the second image also, like this one. So move to crop, aspect ratio 16:9, click outside and place on whole slide. Now bring it to the right side here. So after the select both this rectangle shape in this image and add animation. Come here to the animation, add animation, come here to the motion paths in line. So after selecting line, move to effects option and to the left, okay, from left side. So after that, now let's bring first of all this, okay, rectangle line, select this read arrow key. So after selecting that, now look at and move it to the left side to the end of this shape. So after moving to the left side, now select this rectangle of this image, select that and bring your shape to the left side, just here outside of this red rectangle of shape, just here. So that is okay. Now right click on this image and send it to backward. So let's select this red rectangle of this image also, select that, and we have this image. Let's bring this image here to this area. That is okay. Now let's bring this image to the left side here, select it again and bring this image just here. So now let's select this animation button, okay, so to start it. Now let's press to start animation. So look at, oh, it is not backward. So let's go and right click on this image and send to backward. Let's also decrease the animation, okay, animation second would be, duration would be 6 seconds. Select this back and click to start animation. So look at, we have started the animation and it looks like this. So this was all about how to create a thank you animated animation slide in MS PowerPoint. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.